Hi Claire. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go from the beginning. So I've got as far as creating my bonus page, which I've now finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say save and exit. And when it does that, it's going to come up with this pop-up. You've got 3 lines of code in here. You've got your Buyers Bonanza list PHP file. You can download that to your PC, then upload it onto your server. Okay, so that you can type the URL into your browser and it comes up on the screen, and it'll be on your tabs alongside the rest of your tabs. You've then got this link here, which is the one that goes into your YouTube channel in your description, and that's the link that they click on when they're watching YouTube. Excuse me. And that's the link that takes them to the bonus page. The next line is the one that you need now, that you're going to work with, and this is the bonus crate. This is the one that you put into your autoresponder or into Warrior Plus or JVZoo, depending on which way you're going to do this. All right, so we'll leave this for now. Okay, we'll leave it open. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go now to GetResponse. Okay, let me go to the dashboard. Okay, so all you do is you're going to create a list. There's 2 ways of doing this. The first way is to create one from scratch, and the second way is to actually copy an existing list. So if this is the first list you've created in GetResponse, you click on list and create list. You give your list a name. It's got to be in lowercase, don't forget, and no spaces, so you can use an underscore or a dash. It's up to you. John test list. What should I call this one? I'll call it test list 4. Okay, and create list. Okay, so now you can see it's created the list here, and you get a confirmation up on the right hand side that saying the list has been created. Okay, so what you do now is you go into that list, go over to where the little dots are on the right hand side, and pick settings. So there's the list name that we just created. You then need to give it a title. So let me just write John test list 4. Keep it simple. Put a description in here of some sort. Then you got your category, which you created when you first created your account. You've got your postal address, which you must actually have it in the bottom of your your list settings, and also it'll show on the bottom of your emails when you send it to people when they receive it. You've got an option here to put a logo in here. Now if you put a logo in here, you've got to actually fill in this text here as well. So just for the hell of it, I'm going to put one in just so it's done. I'll pick an image. So there's my image. You've got to put a text link in here to where they're going to get sent if they click on the logo. Okay, so that's it on this page. Now you can just go up to these ones and continue making changes. However, I have got into a habit of saving changes as I do them, because I'm a bugger for forgetting things, and I think I've completed the task, and because I haven't saved it, I've lost the details. Okay, so there you got subscription. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to receive an email every time somebody joins my list. So you click on send subscription notification, and you've got a list of your emails that you've created with your account, and all you do is you click on the one that you want it to send to and apply. Okay, that's all you need to change on this page for the time being, and click save. Okay, and that's really all you need to do with regards to the lists for now anyway. All right, so that's the list. That's the list created. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to go and create a form to go with the list. All right, and again, there's two ways of doing this. You can create one from scratch, in which case you say create form, and you pick, what you want to, the type you want to use. You can use the wizard, or you can pick one of the umpteen, templates that you got. Just for quickness, I'm not going to bother creating a new one. I'm going to cheat, and I'm just going to copy an existing one. Okay, so buyer's list bonanza. Okay, I've just created this earlier today, and this is the one I'm actually going to import now into my Warrior Plus. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to duplicate this one, just so it's there. Also say because it's there. Okay, so there's my form. It's been duplicated. What you need to do now is you need to go into settings up here on the right hand side. On the right hand side down here you got lock, an unlock button. Okay, if you need to change anything on the form here, you can actually click on unlock, and then you can actually go to this and start editing it. Okay, you got your different blocks and stuff you can do with it over on the right hand side. So go to settings, because I'm not going to change it. Okay, I'm just going to change this to 1 so that I know what it is later. Just for the hell of it, I'm going to pick John's test list 4. You would obviously put it to the same list as what to do with your form to do with your list, but because I'm going to use the data I get in a minute, I'm going to just do this for quickness. All right, so then what you do is you leave this as it is, the cycle. You make sure it's on custom, and you've got 2 positions here where you need to paste your information. So you go back to Commission Gorilla. This is what you need. This is the link, okay, for your bonus page. So you copy that and you put that in here, paste, and save that. Okay, so that's all done and dusted. What you need to do now is you need to go to publish, and when you're in publish you've got some options, but the one you want is GetResponse will host my form at the bottom. Click on that, and then this here is the URL that you need, okay, to put into your Warrior Plus. All right, so that when people purchase through you, the vendor will get the email notification, email details, but also you will get them as well. If you don't put this autoresponder URL into Warrior Plus, you won't get the username and the email address. All right, so that's what you do. That's what you do. But what I'm going to do for it now is I'm actually going to go and use the one that I'd already have. Oh, come on. Forms and surveys. Okay, so this one here is the live one that I actually want to use right now. All right, so I've got to pretend I'm going to go back to edit form. I'm not going to change anything because it's already all been done. So go to publish, GetResponse will host my form, and that's the link I'm going to take. Copy that link, and then that link is the one that you take to Warrior Plus. All right, now you find the product that you're looking for, that you're an affiliate for, and you got your details on here. You got your Warrior, your affiliate link here. You click, you get your link details. All right, so what you do is you click on link details, and where it says buy it bonus URL, that is where you paste in the autoresponder form, okay, in there, and you click save. Okay, and that's you done. All right, that's it all done. Now what I am going to do though is I'm going to show you something else. This is an add-on, just so you know it's how to do it, because you'll probably need to at some stage in the future. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to offer a bonus if they purchase the OTOs. Okay, So if somebody purchases OTO1 and OTO1 downsell, I'm going to give them a bonus. So I've got my bonus link here somewhere. I did have my bonus link here somewhere. Let's have a look, see if I've got it on a different page. I don't know what I've done with it. That's clever, isn't it? I'll just go in here and see if I can actually... no, I've not got it there neither. Oh, what a bummer. Okay, so I'll have to... sorry about this. This is wasting a bit of time, but there you go. I've got to do it, so I might as well do it now. So I'm going to go and pick up my link for my OTO. And I've actually got a link shortener, pretty links. And it's the Divi platform. Okay, so I'm going to offer this Divi install OTO bonus, right, that I've created. So I'll get my link, copy that, and go back to Warrior Plus. So what you got basically now is you got where you get your link from. You put your autoresponder link in there and save it. What I'm going to do now is, because I'm going to put some OTO bonuses in here, I'm now going to click on the OTO, the relevant OTOs. So as you can see, if you look over towards the right hand side where my mouse is now, there's some little present boxes, all right, and then at the moment they're all grayed out. Excuse me. So I'm going to put a bonus in OTO1, the pro version. So click on that little present box and you put your URL, or you paste your bonus URL in there and save. And I'm also going to do the same for the downsell. So OTO1 Pro downsell, and paste that in there and then save. Okay, so that's that done. Right, at the moment, as you can see, these are grey. Okay, but if you actually refresh your page, okay, refresh your page and go back into products, you'll now see that those two places where I put bonuses, they're green. Okay, if you put your mouse over the top of it, you can see what your URL that you're using. Okay, and obviously if you want to put an OTO bonus in all of these, if you've got enough bonuses, etc., then you can do that with all of them. All right, so that's how you put an OTO bonus in a funnel. All right, so that's that being done. Excuse me. Now there is another option. Okay, when it comes to your lists, I said there was two options for it. One is create one from scratch, and the other one is to actually copy an existing list and then just edit the details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a copy of this list. So create list. I'm going to call it John _ test _ list _ 5. Okay, and you copy the existing settings from an existing list. So you hit the drop down box and go and find the one that you're going to use. Just for ease, I'm going to use the one there, John's list test 4, and you create it. Okay, so as you can see now, it's done the list 5. It's actually a copy of list 4. So you need to go now into the settings of that list and change the relevant bits to match. So that is the new list name, that is the new list description, and then as you can see, the rest of it is already propagated now. Okay, your address, your logo, the URL, and I better save this just so I don't lose it. Knowing my luck, I click on the mouse in the wrong button and lose it all. And subscription, my email's there as well. All right, so that's already all done. So all I need to do was just change the URL, change the list name to suit and the description. All right, so that's how you do it, copying from an existing list. Okay, that's it. I can't think of anything else. Okay, if there's anything else you need help with, or you got any more questions, hopefully this has helped you, and I shall catch you again. All right, bye, Claire.